Rolling the camera.
And action.
It's funny, no matter where we live in the world, all most of us want is a world of convenience, comfort, and fucking doorbell ringing. This is going to be a long day. Sorry, boys. It's a world of comfort, convenience, and doorbell ringing. Fuck, sorry. All most of us want. Now, fuck it. Oh, sorry, okay, sorry. Oh, look, a package for me. Mature me. A package for mature me.
One more time.
All most of us want is a world of comfort, convenience.
Hassle-free doorbell. Keep rolling, let's go.
Finally, Come on, Nick, yeah. Then simply press the release button and rotate clockwise. Fuck it. Turn clockwise. If you need to change the plug for any reason, okay.
You don't need to say anything.
Yep. So press the release button, turn it So press the release button, turn it anti-clock. Okay, so press the release button. This USB-C, fuck it, it's, yeah. Hey.
It was good.
Yeah, it's good.
And wait for the light on the doorbell to go green. Doesn't work. You just have to make sure to press the magic buttons, which are, yeah, that's, sorry, I don't understand how to do that.
Then you have to pull it out.
Yeah.
Where is that?
Okay. Now, like, yeah, here, fuck, sorry, here, fuck, sorry. So the tools I mentioned earlier better come in handy now. Fuck it. So I'm going to mount the doorbell. So right, I need to mount my, that didn't take long to go wrong. Give me the fucking keys. Perfect height for the handle, and it's good for the door kids to. Fuck it! Right, I'm going to mount my door handle. No, I'm not. Fuck, okay, come on.
We're gonna make a bloopers.
No, we're not. And this is a good height for the ground kids. A drill. Now, if you were drilling into wood, now you could do. Sorry. But don't worry. Fuck. Sorry. Simple, stylish. Simon approved. What? Doorbell.
Well, no, you nicked my script.
Yeah, fuck it. Give me the bloody keys, Kevin. I hate this door with a. You're ingenious. A simple, stylish, Simon approved doorbell for seniors. Simple.
Simon approved.
Simon.